Information about Aesculus hippocastanum. Aesculus hippocastanum, commonly known as the horse chestnut tree, is a deciduous tree native to the Balkans and Western Asia. It is widely cultivated in temperate regions throughout the world for its ornamental value, as well as for its medicinal properties. The tree grows up to 25 to 35 meters tall, with a broad, spreading crown and a trunk up to 2 meters in diameter. The leaves are palmate, with 5 to 7 leaflets, and are typically 13 to 30 centimeters long. The flowers are large and showy, with white or pinkish petals and a red or yellow spot at the base. They appear in late spring or early summer and are arranged in large, upright clusters called panicles. The fruit of the horse chestnut tree is a large, spiny capsule that contains one or more shiny brown nuts, commonly called conkers. The nuts are not edible for humans due to their high toxicity, but they have been used in traditional medicine for a variety of purposes, including the treatment of varicose veins and hemorrhoids. Horse chestnut extract, derived from the bark or seeds of the tree, is also used in commercial products such as creams and ointments for the treatment of varicose veins, as well as in dietary supplements for other purposes. The extract contains a compound called essin, which is believed to have anti-inflammatory and vasoprotective properties. Overall, the horse chestnut tree is valued for its beauty, its use in traditional medicine, and its potential for commercial applications.